All right, baby, you ready?
Yeah, we're gonna go swimming.
It's a little cold for that.
Well, we're gonna be going to Panama City.
Florida, cool.
No, dear, Panama City, Panama.
Panama.
Yes, Panama. But Panama, and I'm trusting it's gonna be considerably warmer there.
Yeah, I think so. Any place has got to be warmer than here.
Right.
Tiny House Prepper. Hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper. It is wonderful to be inside by the fire again.
Yep, it's really bitter out there right now.
Yes.
It's about 30 degrees, which isn't that cold. That's like a couple of degrees below freezing. But it's a 30 to 40 mile an hour wind, and so it just really cuts right through you.
Yeah,
so we're glad to be inside, but we're even gladder. Is that the right way to say it? We're even gladder.
More gladdest.
More glad to be leaving on Monday for Panama. We're very excited about it. This is another trip that we have earned with Thrive Life. For those of you who've been around for a while, you may remember that last year we went to Aruba with Thrive.
It was actually October, a year ago October, in 2016.
October, no, of 2017.
2017, yeah. Yes.
And so this is the one that we've won.
It's the next one we won.
This is the one that we earned. We didn't win it. We earned it.
Yes, excuse me. This is the one we earned. Yes.
For this year. And we're going to a beautiful resort, all-inclusive resort in Panama. It's on the west coast, just north of Panama City.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to say that, you know, for those of you who may be Thrive Life consultants, this can be earned by any Thrive Life consultant.
Absolutely. And
there are quite a few of us that go every year. So if you have more interest in what that's all about, give me a call, give me an email, and we'll talk about that.
Sure.
So we don't want the whole thing to be about Thrive. It's about the vacation.
Yeah, it's about the warm place that I've never been to before.
It's not a big Thrive convention or anything like that. It's just a playtime. So we're going to go down there with a bunch of other people and a lot of the executives of the company and have a week of just play. So we're really excited about it.
Be flying one day and then there for 3 full days and then flying back.
Right, yeah. So we will be flying out on Monday morning. This is Friday, so in a couple days, Monday morning, we'll be flying out. And then we'll be back Friday, a week from today. So I just want...
It's all inclusive. Every single thing, including the flight, is paid for.
The airfare, everything, yep. So I just wanted to tell you all that we have decided to actually take a vacation.
Yeah.
And we're not going to be doing a whole lot of videos. Well, we will be shooting film. Yes. We will be filming down there.
Absolutely.
When we get back, we'll put up a couple videos about our Panama trip. But see, normally we shoot videos ahead of time and we have them scheduled to release while we're gone.
Yeah, we put a lot of work into getting them ready ahead.
But as you know, if you're watching our channel at all, both of us have been really sick for the past few weeks. Yeah. For a while, we didn't even know if we were going to be able to go on this trip. But we're recovering.
It was looking iffy.
Yeah, we're recovering enough that we decided that we're going to be able to do it.
Yep.
But we've been so ill that we haven't really done any videos ahead. So next week there won't be any videos. We resume them. What's wrong with my tongue? It's too cold.
It got too cold.
We will resume the videos when we get back.
Yeah, I'll still put Tea with Jesus out on Sunday.
Right.
But then we'll be doing some filming down there. But don't be surprised if we don't have videos going out Monday through Friday.
Right.
So
also, I get a lot of business phone calls and emails, questions about Thrive Life or Vox Life or whatever. I will still be able to answer emails because they have Wi-Fi at the resort. I am not going to be answering phone calls, so if you call me, you can leave a message and I'll get back to you after we get back.
Yeah. I'm hoping he takes some vacation time. Yeah. He puts so many hours in. And I know we got snorkels and goggles and. We're just looking forward to it. Yep. It'll be fun.
Yeah, we will be right on the ocean, so it'll be. In fact, it's interesting because the way the land bends around, it comes down and it kind of heads north a little bit and then back down. This is the only place in the Americas where you can be on the west coast and watch the sun rise over the Pacific Ocean instead of setting.
That just blows my mind. It'll be the Pacific and the sun will be rising.
Yeah.
That's just amazing to me. It's really close to the Panama Canal.
Yeah, it's only a few miles north of Panama City, and the Panama Canal comes out right at the north end of Panama City. So I think we're only going to be we have to cross the canal. We land in Panama City, we cross the canal, and then go maybe 20 miles or something like that, 15 miles to the resort. So
Yeah.
we're really excited. We've never been there. We've never been to Panama. You know, I've been to Mexico a number of times, but I've never been any further south than that. So
Yeah. Aruba was a wonderful experience, so this is going to be fun to kind of see what Panama's like.
yeah.
Looks like it's going to be a very beautiful place. Beautiful resort. Pool looks gorgeous. And, you know, we've just seen pictures, you know, which we're sharing with you too.
Right, right.
So we wanted to let you know this was happening.
Yep.
So-
We didn't say anything earlier because we were so sick. We didn't even know if we were going to be able to go or not.
I have a terrible tendency because of the asthma that if I get a really, really bad flu or chest cold, it kind of heads south into bronchitis. And I've been just trying to take good care of myself.
And then many times it goes from bronchitis, several times it's actually gone into pneumonia.
Yeah.
So we didn't
Yeah.
want to be in Panama and looking for a hospital because she's got pneumonia. So,
That would
but it
just
looks
be-
like she's doing well. So
Yeah, I'm not getting worse, and I'm starting to get better, and I'm going to trust the Lord, and I'm sure it's going to be fine. It was amazing when I did Tea with Jesus that the Lord got me through that without coughing.
Yeah.
It was just the grace of God. It was amazing. So,
yeah,
and believe me, we were outside in that cold filming the beginning with just for a couple of minutes. It was so cold out there.
yeah, she came in wheezing from the cold and all that. But anyway,
Yeah. But that's just normal for asthma. Don't worry about that.
right. So anyway, that's what we're doing, and we're looking forward to it. And I hope you enjoy our videos after we get back.
Yeah, we'll be glad to share with you guys.
Oh.
So, all right, we're gonna go look funny in our goggles and snorkels and have a good old time.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't so that you can see our videos of Panama when we get back.
Right, and likes do really help us.
Yes, they do.
So, alrighty.
All right, everybody. You be blessed.
We love you.
We'll
and
see you next time.
we'll see you later. Yep.